What's up guys, Barbell Outdoors here, and today I'm going to be doing some pond largemouth fishing. There's a pond right behind me, or right behind you rather, right there, that I know has some really solid largemouth bass in it. And normally I don't target largemouth bass. I'm not a big bass fisherman, as you guys know, besides smallmouth of course. But I figured with this new rod I just got, as you guys can see, it is a Croix Premier, so I'm big ballin' now. I got myself my first Croix. It's a 7-foot medium bass, and I'm really looking to try it out on some really nice largemouth bass. So we'll see what we can come up with. I'm starting off with some jigs, and then I really don't know. We're gonna see what we do. But I'm right behind a Planet Fitness, and I don't know if you guys know, but I call Planet Fitness Planet Fatness. It's a horrible gym for the weak, disgusting, and sad, really, because they have something called a lunk alarm, where, you know, if you do something like drink out of a gallon jug, or wear a stringer, or anything you're supposed to do in an actual gym, like grunting and throwing your weights, things that are actually necessary to grow big muscle, they penalize you here. There's a big alarm that goes off and they kick you right out. So the plan for today is at this pond, I'm going to try and set off something different. I'm going to try and set off a lunker alarm. So we're going to try to catch some lunkers, see if it turns on the alarm. I'm just kidding, but I think that that's a cool video title, so that's what I'm going with. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. There's one. That was a good thump. First cast with the Croix on a little Yum swim bait. Feels like a decent one for sure. Oh yeah, feels like a cat. What the hell is this? Oh, he's wrapped up in something. There he is, he's out. Feels like a catfish. Oh, it's a nice bass, nice bass. Nice bass. Really nice. Come here, come here. Come here, get in the net. There we go. Well, with the Croix, first cast ever with it, and I ended up with a nice largie. That counts as a lunker. Oh, and the hook already came out. Look at that. Nice cold little pond bass from in front of Planet Fitness, setting off the lunker alarm here with the Croix Premier. All right, beautiful fish. Let's go ahead and let her go. All right. Get you back in the water. There you go. All right, see you later. So all I'm doing is I beamed out a cast right about to that fountain over there. I'm just letting it hit the bottom, and then just very slowly sort of retrieving and popping it. Letting it sink to the bottom, a few turns, giving it some action, and then letting it go back down. That's really all it is. And that one smoked it. Let's try to get to a better position over here. Yeah, all right, there's one first cast. Let's see what else we can make happen here. All right, I broke off, so I just switched to another little nice winter bait. Little watermelon red zoom tube. Let's see how that works. There's one. Ate the tube. Feels like another nice one. Yeah, he's all right. Another largie. Oh, he's fat. Look how fat that one is. Alright, check it out. Let me get in the light so you guys can see it better. Second bass of the day. Micropterus salmoides. Beautiful little bass. Ate the tube. How cool is that? Alright, Emmett's fish number 2. Let's get that tube out. Let's get that final view. Beautiful little fish. Not quite the lunker to set off the alarm, but that one will come. Let's let this one go. Alright, see you later. Alright guys, nice. That's 2 fish in the boat. Let's see if we can get some more. So, I know you guys can't see it, but it's been about 20 minutes since the last one that you guys saw. I just walked all the way around there and came back this way and caught that fish in the same spot that I caught that other one. So I think there's a few at least stacked up right here. I'm gonna see if we can't pull some more out. They're fighting nice, so let's say a little review on the St. Croix Premier so far. I'm a big fan. I mean, it's medium power, but it's real fun. It's very light, both in terms of the weight and in terms of the way that it plays fish. I'm a very big fan. The castability is amazing. Completely worth what I paid for it. Highly encourage everyone to go get a St. Croix. They're amazing. And I can't wait to get it on the river and use it for some smallies or some saugeye. Alright, the tube was having a lot of issues picking up weeds on the bottom, so I wanted something suspending. Just put on a little X-Wrap. We're going to try that out for a little bit. Oh, well, there he is. He hit that on the... Oh, that's a nice one. That's a way nicer one. On the X-Wrap. He's not that big. He's not a bad one, though. There's another one on the X-Wrap. I just caught one, but... Oh, and he's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Fat bass. Oh, okay. 4th fish of the day. 2nd for the X-Wrap. I was saying I just caught one, but the camera wasn't recording, so this is an official catch on the X-Wrap. Man, that's a great lure. X-Wrap is my favorite jerkbait ever, especially for these pond largemouth. Kills them. Look at the girth on that guy. He's probably only 12 inches, maybe 10, but he's just shy of a pound, probably more. Nice one. Let's let him go. Alright, 4 fish. Trying to set off that lunker alarm though, and I don't know. We might need a 5-pounder to show up here. But I have confidence. I think we're gonna make it happen. Just caught another one on the X-Wrap. Wasn't recording again, but that makes 5 fish. So another one for the X-Wrap. Well, you know, this one ain't exactly much of a lunker. But if you guys watch my channel for any amount of time, you know I'm not really a largemouth fisherman, but I can tell you today, catching fish about that size on this X-Wrap and the St. Croix, I'm having a blast. I'm having a killer time right now. Can't you tell how good of a time I'm having? Alright, bass, get back in the water. Man, finding the landing and the release spots is tough here. It's all just mud. Still waiting for a really big one. That really big one's coming. I can feel it, but I don't know when. I think he'll show up here pretty soon. Catching all the medium-sized ones, though. Actually getting bass them. You believe that? First time that's happened in a while. Oh, that's the big one. That's a nice one. He's gonna jump too. Look at that. Oh, this one's really solid. This one feels considerably bigger. Oh yeah. Maybe not considerably bigger, but... Oh, and he's snagged, that's why. I think he's snagged. That's not a bad one. Yeah, sorry to snag you, buddy, but that's a nice one. And it's already out. Hooks out, hooks out. Alright. How's that, huh? I'm recording, right? Yeah, I'm recording. That's a nicer one for sure. Nice little pond largemouth for the fall. Beautiful. Man, what a killer time out here. I think I've set off the lunker alarm. What do you guys think? You think this has been sufficient to set off the lunker alarm, or do we need a bigger one? I think we still need a really big one. Well guys, tragically I lost my X-Wrap, so I just tied on a XPS Bass Pro suspending jerkbait instead. It's a little bit bigger. It's got 3 trebles instead of 2, so we'll see if I can replicate that. I'll probably stay for a few more casts. Still trying to get a lunker, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I already caught a bunch today, so yeah, we'll see. Not ruling anything out. There he is. First cast on that XPS. He's not that big. Yeah, he ain't that big. I can just bring him up. Don't need the net for him, but that is a fat one. You gotta be careful with this. These jerkbaits got 3 trebles on them. You gotta be real careful. Okay, one is out. Last one. Let me actually get my forceps. Alright, forceps. Alright, hooks out. Let's let this little guy go. Well, it looks like the XPS is working just as well as the X-Wrap, so we'll see. I might be able to get my lunker here anyway. There's one. Not huge. Not huge, but he's not bad. Same cookie cutter size as those other ones. About a pound, maybe 10-11 inches. And again, you got to be careful with these 3 trebles here. But there's one. And then he's got this second one here. I might need my forceps again for that. Man, I'm getting deja vu with these little bass. Hooked the same way. Same bait, same size. I mean, I'm not hating because action is action, but all right. He's free. Beautiful, chunky little guy. Let's let him go. Oh, there's one. That's a solid one. This might be the lunker. Oh, this is probably the biggest one today. Oh, dude, that's a big one. That's the lunker. That's the lunker. There's our lunker. Look at that. There's the lunker. Come on. Get in the net. Get in the net. No, I missed the net. Get in the net. Yeah! There we go. That's the lunker. That's setting off the lunker alarm right there. Check that out. That's what I was looking for in here. Oh, he's heavy. That's a good one. Guys, when I say I'm coming to set off the lunker alarm, I'm not playing around. I don't fish largemouth, but when I do, I crush it. Oh, there we go. How's that, huh? How's that for lunker status? Think we're setting off the lunker alarm and that Planet Fitness behind me? Look at that pig. Oh yeah. On the St. Croix, baby. All right. Let's get him unhooked. Sorry, I can't even think right now. Let's get him some water, and then we'll get a picture. All right, we got our picture. Let's let this big girl go. Oh, in the lights. All right. What a beautiful fish. What a beauty. Come on. Look at that. You talk about a lunker. There we go. Yeah. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end it on that note. That's exactly what I came out here to do. We caught a ton of fish, we caught a few real nice ones, and the St. Croix Premier performed amazing. I can't recommend it enough. It was a wonderful rod, and I look forward to using it in the future. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Recommend my videos to your friends, and keep watching them. Thank you guys for tuning into this episode, and I'll catch you on the next one.